Why does owning an Aptera suddenly feel less stressful today? For months, a dark cloud hung over every reservation holder. You placed your order but had one terrifying unanswered question. Who would actually fix this three-wheeled electric machine? What happens when something breaks on a lonely highway? Aptera promised freedom and the right to repair yourself. They said they would release full schematics for everyone. That sounded rebellious and exciting for the weekend mechanics. But let us be honest about the average car owner. Most people do not want grease under their nails. They do not want to spend Saturdays under a jack. They just want to drop their keys off somewhere. They want a professional to handle everything efficiently. Aptera understood this fear from their growing community. The puzzle was obvious once you thought about it. Aptera is not building traditional dealerships like Ford or Toyota. No dealership network means no walk-in service department nearby. Tesla solved this with mobile vans going to owners. But Aptera does not have that massive budget yet. Maybe Carlsbad locals will get some special treatment eventually. But everyone else needed a different nationwide solution. Something reliable and ready before vehicles started shipping. That meant partnering with an outside company for repairs. And that is exactly what just happened this week. Aptera officially announced their partnership with RepairPal. Honestly, I had never heard of this company before. So curiosity took over and I started digging deep. I read reviews and explored their entire website thoroughly. Here is what every owner must understand right now. RepairPal is not a giant corporate chain of garages. It is not like Pep Boys with corporate-owned locations everywhere. It is nothing like walking into a big-box store. Instead, RepairPal works as a certification platform for shops. Independent repair shops apply to join this trusted network. They hope to earn official certification status over time. RepairPal investigates each shop thoroughly before approval happens. They examine customer service records very carefully and closely. They check what equipment each shop actually owns today. They verify that technicians have proper modern tools available. They review training credentials to confirm real mechanical knowledge. Basically, they build a detailed checklist for every shop. Once a shop passes every single requirement successfully, RepairPal officially certifies them as trustworthy and reliable. You can search their website to find nearby locations. Certified shops pay a monthly fee to remain in network. Periodically, RepairPal reevaluates these shops for consistency. They ensure standards stay high instead of slipping away. There is also something called the Aspire training program. This might matter even more for future Aptera owners. Aspire gives certified shops access to free specialized training. It expands what their technicians already know about EVs. Sure, it is not technically free since shops pay fees. Still, this program is how Aptera educates technicians nationwide. Imagine sending training materials through Aspire instead of dealerships. That approach saves enormous money while guaranteeing consistent quality. RepairPal is not some obscure startup company either. They have built strong relationships with major automotive brands. CarMax uses RepairPal extensively for their remote customers. If you buy a CarMax car far from a center, even warranty coverage gets handled through RepairPal directly. That sounds similar to what Aptera plans to use. USI also sends their members through RepairPal regularly. Massive companies trust this network, which says something meaningful. RepairPal has actually been operating since 2007. That is almost 2 decades of refining repair standards. This is not some untested experiment from a new company. It is a proven system trusted by established automotive names. Reading customer reviews online, people seem genuinely happy. Most complaints online tend to be minor issues overall. Nothing suggests widespread problems across their entire network. RepairPal also promises fair price estimates for customers. They protect shops from charging completely unreasonable repair costs. Certified shops must honor these transparent and predictable estimates. Nobody wants surprise bills after dropping their car off. Having price transparency feels reassuring for nervous first-time owners. Now here is something truly worth celebrating today. If you are looking forward to owning an Aptera vehicle, RepairPal has over 4,000 certified locations nationwide already. More impressively, over 200 are high-voltage EV certified. That number matters enormously since Aptera requires specialized knowledge. High-voltage systems demand extra safety training for technicians. Regular mechanics are simply not equipped to handle this. Having 200 certified locations is a massive head start. Aptera is definitely not starting completely from scratch here. Hopefully that number keeps growing as more vehicles arrive. Of course, geography still matters for every single owner. Coverage will not feel equal for everyone nationwide. If you live remotely, finding a shop might be challenging. Someone in Montana faces different circumstances than city dwellers. Alaska residents might struggle given how spread out communities are. Rural areas everywhere face challenges with specialized certified services. Still, most Americans near populated areas have reasonable options. 4,000 locations gives most people realistic driving distances. That is stronger than building everything from zero internally. Building an entire network alone would take years and billions. Partnering with an established network saves time and money. Aptera can focus on manufacturing and vehicle development instead. So how will warranty repairs actually work for owners? Based on everything announced, Aptera routes repairs through RepairPal. There is another interesting repair model worth explaining further. In some cases, Aptera ships replacement parts directly to you. Once parts arrive, you bring them to your certified shop. Technicians install the shipped parts using their Aspire training. That hybrid model blends manufacturer involvement with local convenience. It is a clever compromise between control and accessibility. Instead of shipping your entire vehicle somewhere far away, parts travel to you, which dramatically reduces vehicle downtime. Think how frustrating shipping a car for simple repairs is. This model keeps repairs local while ensuring approved parts. It reduces logistical headaches since Aptera needs no physical facilities. They lean heavily on RepairPal's existing infrastructure completely. For a smaller company scaling production, this makes financial sense. Big automakers spent decades building their dealership networks slowly. Aptera found a faster and leaner alternative entirely. Whether this succeeds depends on execution and consistent quality. RepairPal's reputation gives confidence, but real-world testing matters. Early Aptera owners become the first real test case. Their experiences will shape public perception of this partnership. If certified shops handle repairs well, it is a competitive advantage. If problems arise, Aptera must quickly address those weaknesses. For now, this announcement answers a long-standing community question. People finally know who handles repairs and how certification works. That transparency matters for buyers deciding to trust Aptera. Buying from an unproven manufacturer requires genuine support infrastructure. Knowing RepairPal stands behind repairs adds legitimate reassurance. It shows Aptera thought about long-term ownership experience seriously. Building a car is one challenge, but supporting it is harder. Plenty of promising companies stumbled by neglecting service planning. Aptera seems determined to avoid those expensive reputation mistakes. Partnering with an established company like RepairPal reduces risk. It lets Aptera scale service capacity naturally as sales grow. As certified locations increase, remote coverage gaps will shrink. That is encouraging for anyone worried about limited service access. Growth takes time, but the framework already exists and expands. RepairPal is not starting from nothing at all. They already built relationships with major automotive companies before. That existing infrastructure benefits Aptera immediately without waiting. Combined with the Aspire program, technicians become skilled quickly. Specialized training matters when working on unique electric vehicles. High-voltage systems require extra caution and proper equipment. Technicians must understand specific safety protocols for these cars. RepairPal's certification process emphasizes exactly these qualifications. That alignment between Aptera's needs and RepairPal's standards fits. It was not a random choice by the company. Aptera clearly evaluated multiple options before selecting RepairPal. Given their history with CarMax and USA, this is smart. Sometimes companies partner with whoever is available at the time. Other times they choose based on proven track records. This situation looks like the latter, showing thoughtful planning. For current reservation holders, this news provides genuine peace. Knowing how warranty repairs work removes a major uncertainty. Instead of vague promises, owners understand the actual process. That clarity makes hesitant holders become confident, committed owners. People feel more comfortable when support infrastructure feels tangible. Vague promises never inspire the same confidence as concrete plans. Aptera delivered exactly that kind of concrete answer now. The timing feels particularly well planned for production ramp-up. Having service infrastructure prevents unnecessary customer frustration later. Nobody wants their new vehicle with no repair options. This announcement eliminates that worst-case scenario for most owners. Sure, some geographic gaps clearly remain in rural regions. But compared to having zero network, this is progress. 4,000 locations with hundreds EV certified is solid. That foundation strengthens as more shops join the program. Every new certified location means another owner gains convenient access. Over time, This network could rival traditional dealership coverage. Dealerships require enormous capital while this model scales efficiently. Independent shops handle labor while RepairPal maintains quality. That division keeps everyone accountable without Aptera managing locations. It is an efficient system borrowed from successful existing models. Seeing established companies trust this system adds credibility now. This is not an experimental gamble, but a proven approach. That should give cautious buyers additional confidence beyond promises. Third-party validation carries more weight than internal manufacturer claims. RepairPal's decades of experience vouch for Aptera's chosen system. Combined with transparent certification criteria, this feels well thought out. Customer service, equipment, training, and amenities all factor in. That comprehensive evaluation ensures certified shops deserve customer trust. It is not simply a rubber stamp for every applicant. Shops must genuinely meet meaningful standards before earning certification. That distinction matters when trusting strangers with expensive EV repairs. Nobody wants undertrained technicians unfamiliar with high-voltage safety. RepairPal's certification specifically addresses that exact concern directly. For Aptera owners, this means confidence at certified shops. Whether routine maintenance or full warranty repairs, technicians understand. That is the reassurance potential owners have been hoping for. Uncertainty about service has lingered since reservations first opened. This announcement finally replaces speculation with concrete, actionable information. Moving forward, expect more details as production approaches reality. Certification numbers will likely increase across different regions. Training programs through Aspire will become more detailed. Early owner feedback will shape how this partnership evolves. For now, this is a significant positive milestone achieved. Solving repair logistics before shipping demonstrates serious operational planning. That behind-the-scenes groundwork often gets overlooked compared to design. But without proper service, even impressive designs become meaningless. Aptera clearly understands this lesson and solved it proactively. So what does this mean for reservation holders today? Warranty repairs will happen through certified RepairPal locations. Technicians receive specialized training through the Aspire program. Pricing should remain fair through RepairPal's estimate system. Coverage is strongest in populated areas, weaker remotely. This network will expand as more Aptera vehicles arrive. Overall, this feels like a genuinely solid solution. It is not perfect, but few systems achieve perfection immediately. What matters is whether the foundation is solid and scalable. Based on everything announced, that foundation appears genuinely strong. Time will reveal how this partnership performs on real roads. Until then, this announcement offers tangible answers for everyone. Let us discuss why high-voltage training matters so much. Regular gasoline engines lack the electrocution risks of batteries. An untrained technician could injure themselves or damage the car. That is why certification weighs technician training so heavily. It is a genuine safety requirement for technicians and owners. Compare this to Tesla with mobile technicians visiting driveways. That model works with enormous resources and staffing budgets. Aptera, being smaller, cannot replicate that model immediately. Partnering with RepairPal borrows infrastructure otherwise unavailable. Other EV startups faced similar service logistics challenges too. Rivian built their own service centers gradually over years. Lucid opened service centers alongside their retail showroom locations. Aptera chose a different path by leaning on an existing network. Each approach has trade-offs balancing cost, speed, and control. Building your own gives control but costs more upfront. Partnering sacrifices some control but delivers coverage much faster. For a company ramping up, speed and efficiency matter. That is likely why Aptera chose RepairPal instead. It is a pragmatic decision prioritizing customer access first. Some owners prefer manufacturer-owned service centers, and that is understandable. There is reassurance knowing the manufacturer directly oversees repairs, but that level of control takes years to establish. Aptera is young, so practical solutions matter more now. RepairPal offers exactly that practical, scalable solution today. As production increases, Aptera might build additional service options. For now, RepairPal fills a critical support gap. Let us also consider overall ownership costs for buyers. RepairPal's fair price system prevents unexpected inflated bills. Knowing repair costs beforehand gives confidence during unexpected issues. That price transparency is not guaranteed at uncertified shops. Without certification, pricing varies wildly by location and reputation. RepairPal standardizes the experience across different shop locations. This matters for EV technology with potentially surprising repair costs. Battery systems and motors often cost more to repair. A fair pricing system protects owners from predatory inflation. It builds trust between Aptera, RepairPal, and future owners. Trust matters enormously for newer brands in a competitive market. One bad repair experience can damage a young company's reputation. By partnering with a trusted network, Aptera reduces reputational risk. It is smart considering how quickly negative reviews spread online. Word of mouth remains powerful in early adopter communities. Aptera understands this and chooses partners to protect their image. Consider the right to repair movement Aptera publicly supports. Releasing schematics shows commitment to consumer freedom and transparency. Partnering with RepairPal does not contradict that philosophy. It simply adds another convenient professional repair option. Owners still retain freedom to repair vehicles themselves. For everyone else, certified shops offer a trustworthy alternative. Having both options benefits different types of owners greatly. Some people love tinkering with their vehicles personally. Others just want reliable transportation without weekend projects. Aptera's approach accommodates both groups, which feels refreshingly considerate. That flexibility might become a genuine selling point overall. Choice genuinely matters when purchasing an expensive long-term investment. Knowing you have options adds meaningful peace of mind. Let us briefly touch on shops failing to meet standards. RepairPal's recertification catches declining quality before it spreads. Shops failing standards could lose their certification entirely. That accountability mechanism protects the overall network's reputation. It is not a one-time approval but ongoing evaluation. This continuous oversight differs from trusting a shop blindly. That extra accountability gives Aptera owners genuine long-term confidence. Nobody wants trusted repair shops declining without warning. RepairPal's system prevents that with regular check-ins and updates. Looking ahead, expect Aptera to share more specific details. Right now, this announcement addresses the overall framework clearly. Questions about warranty timelines and pricing will follow soon. Knowing the overall structure reassures most patient reservation holders. Building trust happens through consistent communication and transparent updates. Silence breeds uncertainty while clear announcements build genuine confidence. Hopefully, Aptera continues this pattern of transparency consistently. That communication could become a competitive advantage over quieter competitors. Newer brands often struggle by under-communicating during development stages. Aptera appears to be avoiding that mistake with this announcement. That bodes well for their relationship with reservation holders. Have you personally used RepairPal through CarMax or USA? What was your experience like with certified repair technicians? Did they handle your repairs professionally and fairly overall? Do you feel more confident about Aptera ownership after this? Or do you still have lingering concerns about coverage gaps? Share your honest thoughts because this conversation really matters. Community feedback often shapes how these partnerships evolve over time. The more people discuss experiences, the clearer the picture becomes. That information is valuable for anyone considering an Aptera reservation. Repair and service concerns often make or break commitment decisions. Now this concern has a clear and concrete answer. Hopefully more people feel reassured about their future purchase. Building trust takes time, but transparency moves things forward. Thanks for sticking through this entire breakdown of the announcement. Understanding repairs matters just as much as understanding the vehicle. Hopefully this cleared confusion and answered your burning questions. Stay tuned because more details will likely emerge soon.